Hello guys, and welcome to another CorelDRAW tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove page background in CorelDRAW. So right now we have a transparent background over here in CorelDRAW. To add a background, all you need to do is to come over here to layout, scroll down and select page background and change it from no background to maybe bitmap and select browse. And you want to select what you want to use as your background, which is this for me, and select import and hit OK. And as you can see, we've created a background over here. Now what if you want to remove this page background? Now you cannot move this away. If you hit the delete key, nothing happens. The only way to remove this background, to have the transparent background once more, is to return back to layout over here, scroll down and select page background and change it from bitmap back to no background and hit OK. And that's it guys on how to remove page background in CorelDRAW to create a transparent background. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.